You know, I've been through a lot of lenses in my time, but something stops me from selling the Samyang VDSLR first generation cine lenses. About a year ago, I ordered the Anamorfake oval inserts for the Samyang lenses from a guy named Tito. I'll link his channel in the description. I got around to putting in maybe one or two of the inserts and gave up with the fiddly screws, and last week I decided, do you know what, I'm going to give it another go, and I went through the full set, the 24, 35, 50 and 85 first generation EF lenses, which I'm using on the Ronin 4D-8K, and managed to get the oval inserts all around the right way, all looking great. And I was so excited to share some quick sample footage that I took in my back garden today. I haven't used these lenses, to be honest with you, in a really long time, maybe about a year and a half. Ever since DJI became part of the L-mount Alliance, I switched over to the Lumix Primes, which were working really well until I upgraded to the 8K Ronin 4D, which for some reason has got a couple of firmware bugs. It keeps back focusing randomly every now and then, and I used to love shooting 35mm, but the Lumix 35mm on the Ronin 4D has such bad barrel distortion that it really puts me off using it. As soon as I reviewed the sample footage, I remembered completely why I fell in love with these lenses in the first place. The look that they have for the price that they are is unbelievable. These are probably considered vintage now. They're discontinued and mine are a little bit beaten up. And now with the anamorphic insert from Tito, I just absolutely love the distortion in the out of focus areas. The oval shaped bokeh is just giving another layer of cinematic goodness to these already great quality lenses. There's a fair bit of focus breathing, but that doesn't really bother me. I love the way that they handle flares as well. It's almost like a radial star. It's really beautiful, and these inserts have just given so much character to an already stunning lens. So a huge shout out to Tito. Thank you so much for making these oval inserts. They've breathed a new lease of life into one of my favourite lens sets, and there is no way I'm ready to give these up just yet.